Hello, one and all present here. This is Amit Kumar Singh. Welcome everyone to my Tableau class. In today's class, we'll discuss how you can install Tableau and what version of Tableau I'm talking about. You can install the latest version of Tableau. And when we talk about Tableau here, I'll teach you how you can install Tableau desktop, not Tableau public. So for your exam purpose, you have to use Tableau desktop. So the website, what you need to follow is www.tableau.com/support/ you can go for release. So just follow this website. Once you go to this website, it will show you the Tableau desktop, the latest version of Tableau desktop. You can install this. So it's already installed in my system, so I'm not going to install that. Okay, so in case if you have used the current version of Tableau and you know that you have 14-day trial period, so you need to install the newer version, some other version. So you just go down here, you can see lot of versions here. You can simply click on any version of Tableau which you want to install. Just click on any version and then you just go down. See, it will ask you that please install the latest version, because already I have installed the latest version and I cannot install it again. So I just clicked on download the Tableau desktop 2022.1.5. Okay, you just clicked here. Then where you're going to install, Window or Mac. So for me it would be Window. If in case if you are using Apple product, you can go for Mac. Clear? Then it will take some time for the processing. Just wait for the movement. Like guys, when you are coming for exam, it might happen that the exam desktop does not have Tableau. So you need to install the Tableau at that moment. So no need to get panic. No need to get panic at that moment. You simply follow that link. Okay, it will take little bit time. Let it get installed. Okay, so whichever version of Tableau desktop you will tell, it will install that version of Tableau desktop. Once this is done, yeah, so you'll get this kind of window. Here you just click on this, right click here and click on install and then press yes. So now you will get a window where you need to put the details. Very simple. You have to put your first name. This you all can do by yourself. Your last name, your email ID. Okay, which organization you are working. You can put those details here. Okay, find department. All this you can do by yourself. So I'm not spending time doing all this. Put all this detail. Make sure phone number and email ID, whatever you're putting, that should be authenticated. Fine. And then you click on start trial version. And your work is done. It will show you your 14-day trial has started. Here are the great way to learn Tableau, and you can do the needful. Fine, everyone. So I hope you understood how you can install Tableau desktop. Okay, so when you are going for exam or you're preparing for Tableau desktop or you are trying to learn data visualization, this is the first thing which you need to look for. So thank you, everyone. I'll see you all very soon for the next video. Bye.